Suankularb Wittayalai Thonburi, or SKT, is part of the Suankularb Wittayalai School Network, which includes 11 schools, all of which are striving to attain and keep the highest educational standard in Thailand. The meaning of the name Suankularb is Garden of Roses. When the idea of SKT was born, it had one of the biggest support from Miss Panada Suwannanon, who donated the land for the building of the school in honor of King Rama IX, and her father, Mr. Plung Suwannanon, who was an alumnus of Suankularb Wittayalai School. SKT aims at producing first-class leaders for the future. Our educational values are based on the innovative national and international curriculum that is integrated with multiple intelligence theories. We are determined to be an excellent school as well as preserving the culture of Suankularb and exhibiting the Suankularb identity, which are leadership, friendliness, respect for seniority, respect for teachers, appreciation, and nurturing. This mission and vision are being built on the pillars of Mr. Pisanu Sipon, the school principal, and the support of his deputies. A token in a responsible hand can be a treasure. The leadership of SKT has turned a piece of land into a school with modern facilities, such as science laboratories, cooking lab, computer laboratories, digital library, SKT edutainment room, and classrooms equipped with computers, projectors, and internet access to enhance technology and innovative learning. We also have a modern cafe which was built with the intention of giving vocational studies students a hand-on practice by selling the products they make and encourage them to use English in their daily life. Nature was also not left out. We have classrooms built in a garden. The green vegetation gives a serene environment, which is very conducive for teaching and learning. SKT offers special programs like English Program, EP, Mini English Program, MEP, and International Program, IP, which aims at encouraging young generations not just to communicate in English, but to be outstanding on the international level. The students in Mini English Program study the fundamental courses in English, while students in English Program study the fundamental and additional courses in English, except the courses related to Thai culture, such as social studies, physical and health education, and Thai language. The international program curriculum is the combination of Cambridge and Thai curricula, and all subjects are taught in English. In order to bring our students to the international level, we organize language and cultural exchange programs in the USA, Singapore, New Zealand, the Philippines, and China. Teaching in SKT is with a goal to prepare students for the top universities in Thailand, to be good citizens, and as well as prepare responsible future leaders of Thailand. Our teachers are sent overseas from time to time for training and for their professional growth. Teacher trainings are organized every year for the betterment of the school. We have 191 teachers, 21 of whom are foreign teachers and 23 part-time teachers. Our teachers work diligently to achieve the goal. Classroom focus is on encouraging all inclusive students' participation. The number of our students has increased every year. Currently, our students' populations are over 2,900. Our students' number growth between 2008 and 2018 is over 100%. A couple of years ago, SKT was the second most desired school in Mathiom 4 and the fifth most desired school in Mathiom 1 admissions in Bangkok. In 2017, SKT won 74 gold medals and we were at the top of the chart. In 2018, it got even better. SKT won 85 gold medals, topping the chart yet again with even more success. We are proud to announce that in 2017 to 2018 academic year, most of our students gained admission into Chulalongkorn, Mahidol, Thammasat, King Mongkut universities, to mention but a few, studying medicine, pharmacy, engineering, biochemistry, international business, and so on. SKT has been growing tremendously in every aspect, and there is no stopping us. Success is the summary of our journey. We welcome you to join the School of Warmth for your success. Thank you.